Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty, and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your rear window defroster is not working. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in a main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just next to the battery on the driver's side. To lift the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here and one here. You want to press onto each of them and lift up to unlock it. Also on the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. And this yellow piece right here, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to check and remove any of the small fuses. Okay, so the defogger fuse, it's a fuse number K6, which is a 40 amp fuse located in the middle of the fuse box. And just here next to it, relay number K6, this is the rear window defogger relay. Now the best way to test it is using the multimeter, or if you don't have one, you can try replacing it with any other of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. If it does, just replace the relay. In case both the fuse and relay are good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First start by checking the rear defogger switch, then check the wiring and check all the heating elements on the glass. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.